Okay, let me now show you how to do a histogram in Microsoft Excel, and we will start back again with data analysis to understand our min and the max data points. So let's go. Click on data analysis, do a descriptive statistics one more time, and make sure again Microsoft Excel remembers the previous numbers and cells, so delete them for sure, and then click on the input range and select your input data, which is right here from A6 to all the way up to A56. After that, make sure your radio button for output range is clicked. Click into the output range and click on cell C6. You can click on anywhere in an empty space on the Excel, and make sure the summary stats is ticked again. Select your data set for descriptive stats. Make sure your output range button is switched on. Select a cell on the Microsoft Excel file where you want to see the data, and click on the summary stats and click OK. So I have my summary stats now, and it's showing me the range is 88, minimum to maximum is 2 is my min, and my max is 90. It's already highlighted. So the next thing in Excel you have to do is, if you remember from your school days, you have to create class intervals, or in Excel it's called bins. So let's go ahead and start with bin sizes from 0, 5, 10, 15, and all the way up to the maximum term, which is 90. I would suggest go one beyond your maximum data point. So 0 to 95 is my bins. Now I have to go back again, click data analysis, and this time we are looking for a histogram. So we will click on the histogram and click OK. Input range is my data set, the same one from A6 to A56. Then the bin range is the new bins that I have created here on E8 to E27. Output range, it's asking me where would you like to see your histogram. I'm going to click on my cell G6 and make sure the chart output is ticked. So one more time, select the input range, which is your A6 to A56. It could be anywhere on your data set, but in this case it's A6 to A56. Bin range is on E8 to E27. Make sure the radio button for output range is ticked, and select where would you like to see your histogram. And finally, click on the chart output and click OK. And your histogram is available to you now. And if you want to, you can right click and add database labels to the cell. And thank you for watching this video.